Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and I am bringing you my review, finally, of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. What's funny is I think I bought this I bought this a long time ago. No, the day it came out I bought it, and I've been actually using it. I wanted to give you guys not just my first impression, which is usually what I do for foundation featured, but I wanted to kind of really get in there and decide if I was going to like this. And I can tell you this, I love it, but, and there's a but. Okay, so a little bit about this foundation. It's hydrating, but it's long wear. I would say it's about a medium coverage. It's Fenty. She makes 50 plus shades in this formula. I love the original Pro Matte. This stuff is so good. This shade is 150. Oh, that bottle just feels good. So I love that foundation for being matte, long wearing, good coverage, but like satin matte. I don't think it's like powdery flat matte. Love the concealer. There is one issue, I believe, with this, and that is it the fragrance? I don't think it contains alcohol. I think it contains fragrance. Okay, Fenty products are phenomenal, but the but is there is such a heavy fragrance in these products. I did not get the hydrating primer. I have the matte primer. I bought the TSA size, and this is actually pretty good. Hang on. There's the scent in there. This formula is really cool because it's matte, but it has kind of this sheen on the skin. It's more for like blurring and line filling. It's nice. It's called Instant Retouch Primer. It's a soft matte. So I do like it, but because of the fragrance, I typically don't wear it often. And what I found with this formula is that this is probably one of my all-time favorite foundations, but I'm sad that it's gonna be, for those of you who absolutely cannot use fragrance, you will not want this. And if you're like me, where fragrance doesn't bother you initially when you're applying the product, you can wear it a couple times and maybe not see anything, but you, one, just don't like smelling it, or two, just know that it's not gonna be a long-term benefit, then I'm just like, oh, I love this foundation, but it can't be an everyday foundation. And not that I wear makeup every day, but yeah, it smells like that pink sugar perfume. It smells like it dries down to this vanilla, almost perfume. So I'm just gonna give you a demonstration of the product because I do love it. So you can see it on, see it in action. I did not put primer on. You know what? I'll put primer on this side of my face, even though it's the matte. That'll be kind of interesting, right? I am gonna put primer. See, I think that maybe the antidote to such a fragrant foundation is maybe a primer that doesn't, that has qualities that are more skin loving. So, no fragrance or anything like that. I just want to check the wear and see if the primer from the moisture, if the matte primer gives any more longevity under the hydrating without drying out the skin. I'll zoom you in. See how kind of natural it is? See how it's just sort of not just sort of, why am I using those weak words? It is soft, it has great coverage, it looks nice on the skin. The shade is perfect. What is this? 190. Yeah, I went too light with my original formula. This is shade 190 and it's perfect. Let's get on some concealer. I have to check the ingredients on why this was somewhat problematic. Like, it's great and I love it, but I remember thinking, uh-oh. See, this is nice. And that's a perfect shade too. Okay. I'm gonna put on my bronzer stick, which, you know, I need to get those contour sticks. They're just so good. I just like this so much, so I'm just sort of using it all over, like bronzer slash contour slash blush. Whatever, right? I'm just going to use some Laura Mercier loose powder. It's on my table. It's not, while it is, I realize, a favorite of many, I'm not ride or die by it. I'm going to just kind of do this because I want a clean jawline. But, and wow, there's a lot of product on here, so I'll do it up here too. The stick, this was the set that you get the little mini travel sizes. The stick is cinnamon and this is shady beige. Let me look in the little mirror. All right, Sophie, stop looking at me like that. Have I mentioned I like this bronzer too? Some really quick Nubian. Wait, no, that's the Saharan. This is Nubian. So just gonna kind of throw on some stuff. Nothing fancy. You know, take a restroom break if you need. I'll still be here when you come back. Don't mind me. Oh, stop. So I am a fan of the Fenty foundation. Wish it didn't have the smell. It is slightly dissipating. Of course, if it's right here, maybe I'll just put something else there, and then I can still smell it on the back of my hand. So I'll wash my hands, and then maybe then I won't have such a strong reminder of it. It does not irritate my skin immediately. So I have worn this 2 days in a row, and it was fine. So I kind of just pace it. And yeah, I will list all the products I used in this look, and I will give you an update as to if this side wore any differently from this side with that Pro Matte filter. So these are all my Fenty products. I'm trying to become part of the club. Right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you are subscribed to my channel. Please do so if you haven't. I would love your support, and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, all that good stuff. And yay, foundation, that looks good. Okay. Thanks guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.